sizzling.
Wow, look at that one. The stars are huge.
Bro, oh my gosh.
The red ones are nice.
Yeah.
I like when they pop, all the stuff goes everywhere and then they pop again.
I know.
Like the orange lines.
Oh, the orange. Yeah, that was.
Like that one.
Yeah,
Like,
see, you see?
Yeah. Yeah, 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 look, like that, yeah.
Yeah. They're
Oh my.
Whoa.
Oh, look at that one.
Wait, yo, it's still going down. That's so fun. You know the ones that go up are screamers? Bro. Oh.
Oh, look, there was fire. Oh,
I
look,
know.
yeah, there's fire.
There's
That's so
fire.
cool. No, not like fire, like, there's a piece of it. Oh, look, it's twirling. Whoa.
Whoa. I saw a piece of the actual, like, lit
Yeah,
fire.
look. Yeah, it's like, it's a piece of the thing on
Yeah,
fire.
I just saw lit fire again.
Mhm.
Whoa. But the blue one beat all of the big
Oh,
ones.
look, there's a green one over there. Like, it was huge.
Whoa. Bro, the blue firework beat all of them, dude. That was the largest.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Oh, whoa.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, the stars again. Hold on, let's see the big one.
Oh.
No, I didn't beat blue though.
Oh, look, there's some at the bottom.
Whoa.
That one was the best.
It's the best, but it didn't bleed. Look at all the smoke.
Why do you think there's so many clouds?
It just looks so cool. Whoa. Where did Ali go?
Whoa, look at that. It's gonna be a good video.
Damn, bro.
Damn, I like
that
the sound
blue.
of that.
That be blue.
Oh, that one, look, it's twirling again.
Whoa.
Look at all the debris flying.
For
Oh, more
real?
twirls.
Try not to see whoa challenge. Or wow.
Nah. Oh, it looks like a halo.
Whoa. It does. It looks like a ring.
Oh, look at the breed. I think
Whoa.
that definitely just fell to the ground.
Yo, I think actually the breed went to the ground.
Yeah. I like the sound of that. Vietnam flashbacks be like.
Oh.
I like the sound of the firecracker in the water.
Dude, if they lit it in water, bro, it's gonna like travel all the way to Africa to America to Africa, bro.
Africa's one.
Bro, what water?
Bro, but like actually, fireworks.
Oh, look, drone's going back.
Drone.
Drone's going back.
Yo.
Bro, I'm gonna make one good YouTube video out of this. I like the orange ones. The ones that pop big. Oh, look, green one's back. Oh, there's a bunch.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, that was like the jackpot. Yo, they multiplied. The stars are
Whoa,
gonna
look.
Whoa.
That one was huge.
They multiplied, right?
No, it's just the same firework.
Yeah. No, I'm saying like the red ones.
Look
they
at
would
the,
split
wait, look at the drone, look at the drone.
Yo.
Zoom in on the way again. But that drone is dangerous. Bro is being dangy. Oh, look, there's a cop going over there.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh.
my days.
Oh, wow, that is so pretty.
This is a not so bad fireworks show.
Yeah, usually all the ones that I've seen before aren't as good.
Yeah, but the McAllen ones are hit different, dude.
I just moved to Edinburgh recently. I'm usually
Yeah,
in
so,
the
but so do the airports. Whoa.
Whoa, look at that one.
Whoa. Bro, that give me a shockwave.
I know what they do. Stop capping. Bro, look at those. It looks so awesome. I like the
All
sound.
all those fireworks should be lit at once.
Imagine being next to that and it. Ooh. You think the firecrackers that we have are bad? Ooh.
Nah.
Your ears would break.
Oh.
Whoa, that one looks nice.
know those type of fireworks cost like $20, $50.
Yeah, I know. My dad's buying them for us sometimes.
Whoa.
Oh.
That one really lit me up.
But
It's
that-
not Christmas though.
USA 23.
Yeah.
Look, they're not doing the good ones anymore.
Dang it.
That one was pretty good, the one though. You know when you can see the smoke twirl, it's good.
Always.
Whoa, that one looked cool. Oh, look, I like that one.
Oh, look at
The
the ones
spray?
at the bottom.
Yeah, the spray.
The spray ones are amazing. Bro, wait, whatever happened to
Bro.
the drone?
It went back over there. Bro, Mr. Beast firework video be like, oh my god, my thing's losing quality.
Somewhere it should be somewhere over
Look at those. Look at the smoke.
there.
You can see the smoke when they
Bro,
pop,
it looks like a spider, like a daddy long leg.
right? Like, they look like aliens. That's kind of cool.
That
But
is
kind of
sick.
scary.
There's just blobs of smoke.
Gonna get one good video for this, bro. For sure.
Whoa.
Damn.
Damn.
Oh my gosh. Damn.
One of your years, Samson. It's gonna be high, bro.
Mhm. Alright, look at this one. Look.
Whoa.
Oh. They're gonna pop, I think.
Did you put the iPad on the charger?
No, why? You didn't. Bro, you didn't tell me to. Oh look, there's two.
Oh.
They're definitely gonna be good.
Oh. Yo. The after pop.
That's not an after pop, I think. I think that one was a dud and it just broke.
It actually might have broken.
Shut up, Jake.
Bro, some look like planets, dude. It looks
Honestly.
like a planet. Like,
Whoa, that one was cool.
whoa. Look at this one. Whoa.
Whoa, that one was bright at first.
Real. Dude, bro, it brightened me up.
Bro, look at these.
Whoa, that one lit me up. That one brightened me up.
Oh. Actually, I don't think they're good. None of the good ones.
Yo.
Oh, look, yeah, you need the.
Whoa.
They sound like black hats. The sizzling.
Yeah. Because of black. The cats. The music.
Oh, look, the drone. The drone.
Oh, yo.
Guys,
Yo, it's in it.
I'm thinking if I should put this in the fan bag. Should I put that in the fan bag?
Oh, look, that one. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good.
Oh, I
Whoa.
almost did.
Bro, but it's not Christmas.
I know, right? Oh, that one looks cool though.
Can't wait to see Santa.
Bro,
Black.
that poor drone.
Damn, bro.
How is bro
I
alive?
can't wait to see Santa's black.
Bro, how is that drone alive? That's my question.
For
Wait,
real.
I don't see it
Yo, wait,
anymore.
did it shut off?
Yeah, I don't. Oh, no,
Oh,
none of
no,
mine.
it's still alive.
Bro, that is the most durable drone ever.
Bro, they're risk takers. Bro, it's a Mr. Beast drone, that's why.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Beast bought it.
Bro, there's some Mr. Beast fireworks.
Bro, like the drone is
Oh my.
the drone is like it can't die.
Mhm.
Whoa. That wouldn't be all the ones. That one.
Yeah. Oh,
Yo.
never mind. Never mind. Actually, never
Dude,
mind.
it actually might start the fire. It actually might start a fire.
Well, if it lands on the ground.
No, I saw 5 of them land on the ground. I got
Mm.
Gotham City needs.
Oh, that one's gonna be good. You can just tell. You can just tell. You can just
I'm
tell.
gonna suck on it.
Oh my gosh, that one was huge.
Damn,
3 at a time.
bro.
The ones that go high in the sky are always so good.
I know.
Oh my god, look at those.
Yo, I'm gonna suck it. Move out the
Stop
way.
being weird.
Gotham City needs me.
No, it doesn't. Gotham City does not need you, buddy.
Bro,
Gotham City hates you, bro.
I would go in the school restroom with Santa.
Bro, the Black Santa of the babe.
Yo,
Bro thinks he's Batman.
you,
Bro, stop moving like that.
you could see
Oh my
the
gosh.
freaking like smoke in the middle.
Bro, that was cool. That my phone.
Damn.
Bro, my phone's going God mode right now, bro. With the quality. Just my phone,
Bro, that lit me up.
Bro, I'm gonna get
Bro,
100k
that
followers,
brightened me
bro.
up. That like lit me up. It's okay, Daddy.
I don't think this video's gonna do anything now. Aww.
Okay, then.
And that's them building up the suspense for one big one. But oh, they
Never-
fooled us. They fooled us, buddy. They fooled us.
Oh,
They fooled us.
Yo.
They fooled us. They got us good with that one.
multiple hit the ground.
I don't think they hit the ground actually. I think they burned up before they could. Bro, why is that on me directly?
These are lit up.
Because I'm him.
Yeah, bro, you brightened.
Well, I'm the main character, bro. Honestly.
Yeah, bro. Like you're sick.
They were cool, guys. I think the finale's coming up.
Yeah. In 10 more minutes, the finale's coming up.
I think in one.
Yo, I think it might be starting.
The finale, bro.
The finale.
I'm gonna zoom
The
in for a
finale's
little
gonna
for this
happen.
one.
You bet. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna happen. One. Yo.
Aw.
What the? The finale might happen.